everyone, Namaskar. Welcome to Vani Shankar's kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make oatmeal drink, healthy drink and homemade peanut butter bread toast. Okay, very healthy, very easy way I am going to show you. First I am going to show you how to make oatmeal the healthy way. So I have taken in this spoon nearly 3 spoons of oatmeal. I have put half a glass of water. I am going to add this. Let it boil nicely. Okay, I'm going to keep it in high. Now for that I am going to add little bit of dates. I have taken only 2 and nicely chopped. Little bit of jaggery for sweetness, and I have taken rock salt and little bit of plantain, that is banana, and milk is option. If you want you can add the milk. Milk is option. And then let it boil nicely. Let it cook nicely the oats. You can take any oats. There are varieties of oats, whatever you prefer, of course. Let it boil. By that time I am going to show you how to make the sandwich also. We can do side by side how fast you can make the breakfast. Okay, so for the breakfast I have taken, see, I have made homemade. I have taken nearly 2 tablespoons of peanuts, that is peeled. Okay, and it is slightly roasted, and I have taken little chili flakes, pepper powder. This is butter I have melted, salt. Of course the taste depends on your wish. Okay, so what I did, I put peanut, I have put it in the mixie jar, the 2 tablespoons, and nicely powdered it. Now I am going to add it for the butter. Okay, so I am going to add the peanut and butter. You need not to buy from outside. This is healthy, and homemade means the value will be always more. So I just took 2 tablespoons of peanut powder. Mix it well. Okay, see how nice it is, the color combination, everything. We have to check at the same time. This also I'll add little more water. Nearly I used a 3/4 glass of. Now I'm going to add the chili flakes in this, and depends on your spice. I'm going to add 2 pinch of pepper. Mix it well. Then little bit of salt. Okay, lovely. This is homemade means always it is tasty. Of course I preheated the pan. Now the flame is in sim. So what I'll do, first I'll put little bit of butter. Spice depends on your taste and everything. You can add more or less. I'm going to take 2 slices. I'm not cutting these sides also, because we are going to eat at home. We are not going to sell this, right? So I'm going to keep the flame high. I'll just check this. Yeah, the oats is cooked nicely. Now I'm going to add a little bit of jaggery. Normally I don't go for sugar. I'm going to add only jaggery. Then I'm adding little bit of rock salt as per your taste, of course. Always use rock salt than the table salt. When you are in a hurry to go to the office, you can just do, see, simultaneously you can do both. Okay, very healthy, very tasty. That's also homemade, is always good for health. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to keep the flame in sim. Let it cook nicely. Now I'm going to add little bit of dates in this. It depends on your taste. Okay. That's all. It's over. See, it is nicely cooked and the dates also cooked very nicely. Of course, it is not necessary the dates must cook. Now I will switch off the flame. Then I'm going to add the banana also. I took only one banana, plantain that is. And if you want to add, you can add little milk or you can eat as it is. I'm going to add little milk. That's all. The oats drink is ready to drink. Let it cool for some time. By the time we will finish off this. Aha, it is nicely crispy. It is done. Now I'm going to apply the peanut masala on top of that. I'm going to switch off the flame. It is nicely crisp it has become. So I don't want it to burn more. Okay. See, spices depends on your taste, everything. Now what I'm going to do, if you want spice, I'm going to add little hot and sweet. Not much. Yummy toast is ready. Now I'm going to put on top of this and we'll just tap it. In 5 to 7 minutes, the healthy breakfast is ready to eat. Ready for serve. Okay, that's all over. I'm going to just display and show you. Yes, the healthy breakfast is ready to serve. It's very yummy. In 10 minutes I have finished the 1 glass of oatmeal and this is nice peanut butter homemade breakfast is ready. So just on top I have put a little dates nicely cut and put. It's a very healthy drink. Of course, you please try this at home. Of course, the salt and the sweetness as per your requirement, and in bread spice is your requirement, how much you want add or make it less. Okay, so this is the healthy breakfast. If you eat only those 2 slices of bread and 1 glass of oatmeal, it will keep you up to 132. You will not feel hungry at all. This is sure. Okay, please try this at home and let me know your feedback. And those who are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and of course thumbs up and bell icon. Ting tong. So I'll see you in my next video with some other new recipe, very yummy recipes. Okay, see you then. Bye bye. Take care.